effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, Cumberland and Ocean, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Delaware Bay waters south of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds.
I can't believe we're on a tornado watch.
To the